Today we'll talk about how to export annotations from our project. So I'm in a project that has already with some existing annotations, and I will go to dataset page, under upload/export annotations, and under export annotation segment, we can click export annotations. There are a few options available for you. Normalize, which means you can convert the coordinates from the coordinates to values between 0 and 1. And shuffle means that the order of annotations will be randomized. And train test split means that it will split into each train and test dataset files. This is going to be helpful if we want to split into train and test dataset for our training. And the export format, we cover a wide range based on the industry standard. For example, I select a bounding box format like CSV for corner detection. And lastly, you can toggle the button if your annotations include background or custom ontology. These will all be included in your export. Then, we click export, and after processing is done, you can find the download link available at the bottom, and you can just click and download the file to your local laptop.